So today is 17th. Yeah, we are talking about 16th. Yesterday's market, if you see, the mid-cap stocks closed positively. Nifty 50 and Junior Nifty closed neutral actually, not that great. But whereas small cap, they closed 0.5% down. So again, small cap index was beaten on Friday. And yeah, and from sectoral indices, if you see, pharma is the one which was beaten very badly, nearly 1.3% downside. Even metal stocks also beaten down. Auto stocks, media and FMCG relatively lower. And who performed on Friday is IT. IT and PSU banks, or you can say total financial sector has closed positively. Out of that, PSU banks and IT are the number two positively performed sectors. And when it comes to thematic indices, everything energy and the consumption are beaten down, and oil and gas and service sector closed positively. Not that great, but fine. 0.4 and 0.5% is. Let's see the whole week what happened. Okay, the whole week, if you see, the total market was down this week, and out of that, small caps were beaten down more as usual, and then mid cap. It's like with respect to market cap. And when it comes to Nifty 50 Junior, they are the one which survived. Nifty 50 closing 0.7% is down this week. And sectoral, if you see, PSU, metal, and IT. So this is the when the whole market is going down. Okay, these are the ones which held the market actually. So they outperformed even in this total bad market. See, if you see all the banks, which means banking index, it is 0.7% is upset. Out of that, public banks are the one which relatively perform better. So I think what we can do is now we can analyze these three indices uh, and also the stocks from this particular sector, public sector banks, metals, and IT. We will see what is happening, and do we have any setups that are getting formed in these three sectors. I think that I will do in a separate video. I will keep this short only up to market analysis for this on this Friday. I'll do a video on these three sectors and also the stocks, outperforming stocks from these three sectors. And apart from these three, I will also see any industries that are doing good or about to do good in coming weeks. So, which is the sector which was beaten very badly? Are auto, pharma, realty. So, I think auto is going down. I guess for so many days or weeks, last weeks, auto is the one which performed very good actually. Pharma, I think it touched the all-time 52-week high, and from there it is coming down. Even auto broke out actually. The whole auto sector index, it broke out, but now it is coming down. It could be a correction, or it could be the what are the breakout happened. It could be a fake out actually. If this downside is going to continue in auto, then we can decide. So we'll get to see what happens in auto, whether it is just a pullback or it is a fake out. Let's see. And from a thematic point of view, oil and gas, yeah, oil and gas has performed very good. Commodities perform very good. PSC also. Okay, so let's see monthly also, just for so that we can finish it. If you see the total monthly, Nifty Junior was still positive when it comes to monthly closure. So monthly it closed at a point eight percentage upside. When it comes to yeah, similar same thing. Metal, public banks, IT. So same it is showing. It closed positively. In thematic indices, commodities and PSC, not much change. Okay, so let's see in the industries now. So if you see what waste management industry, custom industry has performed very well this Friday. So what it is happening as a industry, from if you see the trend of the particular industry, it is at the bottom of 52 week, whatever the 52 week range is there, it is at the bottom actually. It could be a double bottom. We need to see the chart. But how many three stocks are there in waste management? Out of that, only two stocks has performed closed positively on Friday. Let's see. And who else? Glass industry. We have three stocks, and out of that, again, two stocks performed well. Asset management companies, they closed positively. So yeah, asset management is doing good actually. It is it is near the 52 week high. So I think it is reaching 52 week high. So I think this comes into capital. What is that? What is that sector? Capital markets. Capital markets. This industry belongs to capital market sector, and I've seen on Friday capital market sector. Yeah, and also we discussed in our Thursday video in CAMS. I think I made a video on CAMS where I gave a technical analysis of that particular chat, CAMS chat, where I have also seen how the capital market index is. So the whole industry is trying to break the all-time high. So we need to see if that is going to happen. Then this is the one sector where in coming weeks, which may outperform which become a leader actually. Who else? Internet and catalog retail. Okay, out of five stocks, nearly four stocks has performed good. So I think this is the one. So digital and internet index is also trying to come out actually. It is at early stages actually because after so many weeks, I guess, it came out. Now it started doing good as a whole. That our breadth is also good. It's not that only one stock, one or two stocks performed, but out of five, the four stocks has performed. So we can see digital index. We'll see that also in the separate video. Ceramics. Okay. Banks, small finance banks. As we have seen, whole finance sector is doing good. Okay. And the small finance bank, if you see the trend, it is at 50-week high. If it breaks, then it will do good. Out of this small finance banks, Ujjivan is the one which is uh, taking this index upside. So you can focus on that. There is a breakout is going to happen in Ujjivan small finance bank. If you want to play with this industry, then I think at least I am going to do that with Ujjivan finance banks. I wanted to get invested in that. Let's see in the coming week. I think tomorrow market is there because of this budget. Construction materials. It is the index is not that great. It is downside only. Again, public sector banks. It is at all-time high. Financial institutions, private banks, and other financial services. If you see the total setup, you can see most of them are for finance only. See, MFI is there, fintech is there, and then stockbroking and allied services from capital markets. Again, depositories from capital markets, and then ratings from capital markets, financial services, financial institutions, banks, private banks, public banks, small finance, asset management. So nearly some 10 industries are from finance only. And apart from finance, you can see one is from internet and catalog. This one, FMCG, here and there, FMCG is doing good in a very particular industries. But because of ITC and I think other stocks, it is the whole index is coming down. Anyway, what else? IT services. IT software is doing good. IT services is also doing good. Even MFI, as we discussed on Thursday also, MFI is at 52-week high. If it breaks, this one and the small finance bank, both are at 52-week high. If both breaks, then we can see something like in MFI, we see Arman Financial is there, and Credit Grameen is there, and Spurti. There are how many MFI 5 stocks are there? Out of that, I think the best stocks are one is Arman Financial, the other is Muthoot Microfinance, Credit Grameen. These three are doing good technically. We need to check the charts in, to proceed further. Let's see. So these are the one which are doing good. What I yeah, we can see if you want. You can see the glass first of all. How the trend is. Okay, if you see the Borosil, the stock is doing very bad, and it is 65% below from 52-week high. And Sajal Limited, it is at nearly 52-week high within that range, or you can say 30% is range of 30% away from the 52-week high. This is the only one which is good actually as of now. Because the 200-day is positive. And a borrower renew, it isn't that great. But okay, 200-day, this is also positive actually. No, yeah, 31% is down from 52-week high again. But the index was high, went up just because of the borrower renew limited. Because it rose 7.6 percentage. That is the reason. Okay, this is industry is skewed actually. What else? Okay, Aditya Birla Asset Management is there. That is doing good. Nippon company is there. That is also doing good. Every asset management is closed positively. This is, I don't know what CRAMC. CRAMC. What is CRAMC? Okay, Canara Robeco. Okay, fine. Okay, that closed positively. I don't have the trend of that. Okay. You see internet. Okay, India Mart has closed positively. Because of that, the whole index came up. Okay, so if you see every 200 chart is in a if you see matrimony, it is in a range. Naukri is at 52-week low, nearly 50 how much? 23%. Oh, fine. Okay, it is at 50-week low. And what else? India Mart. India Mart. Yesterday it closed very positively. I think it is trying to come from the bottom. We need to see the chart. Total market momentum. Okay, now if you see the total stocks that whatever we have in this universe, which is nearly 1733 stocks on Friday, and all the 1733, I think, yeah, it is. These are the stocks which are whose market cap is more than 300 to 400 crores, greater than 400 crores actually. Okay, so if you see that as a total market momentum, it is less. 21, yeah, the whole only the 200 is positive. Nifty 50 and Nifty 500 closed positively, but not that great. You can say neutral. And if you see market breadth, yesterday's market breadth, only 33% of stocks closed positively. Though if you see the whole week, only 22% stocks uh, closed positively, which means nearly 78, 80% of stocks closed negatively. So which is not great actually. So still, if you see from weekly point of view, where it stands is it is weak. The market is weak currently. We need to see the next week breadth, how it is, how much percentage has improved. For now, it is weak. The market is weak. So, if you see what happened on Friday, uh, the ratio is same. I mean, 1.3, which means I don't see any improvement actually, because 3.2% is of the stocks closed for less than 4. I mean, more than 4% is downside. So, so I don't see any much improvement over here. On 12th it improved. Sorry, where on 13th it improved, but I don't see any kind of good follow up. So I don't see any good breadth. Yeah, leading swing indication, if you see, the price is below both the 10 and 21 SMA. So it is not good for swing trading as of now. Until the price moves above this both the SMA, we can't go and trade for any swing trades. Currently, the market is not good for swing trades. And if you see on Friday's candle strength, most of the stocks closed near lows, and the index also shows that. If you see, the whole the candle shows that on that particular Friday it closed below near low. That's what it is being told by candle strength of the total market also. So market is weak the whole week and also on the Friday. Okay, I think that's it for the industry analysis, custom industry analysis, and also the sector analysis and broad market analysis. So we'll close it here.